Hi everyone, I'm Aaron with Veloci Performance Products. In this video we are discussing swivels, but in particular aftermarket swivels for pressure washer trigger guns. We are showcasing the stainless steel MTM Hydro swivels today. On the market there are trigger guns that have built-in swivels, like our famous SGS-28 trigger gun that you can see here, meaning that the swivel comes standard as part of the trigger gun. Most pressure washer trigger guns in the market, though, do not come with a built-in swivel, similar to our M407 trigger gun you see here. What benefits will you see by adding a swivel to your pressure washer trigger gun? The big difference is when you are pulling the hose away from your pressure washer, you will avoid the hose from coiling up, and then you have to straighten it out by spinning it around and around. The swivel will do the work for you, and the hose should be uncoiled as you pull it out. One more advantage of this MTM Hydro swivel is that it will operate when you have pressure running through the system, meaning it's a live swivel. Installation is easy as well. As you can see, I've already installed the MTM Hydro stainless steel swivel into our M407 trigger gun. You simply wrap Teflon tape to your male threads and install at the inlet of your trigger gun. Then wrap some Teflon tape on your made in the USA Veloci Performance stainless steel plug. Tighten down the plug to the inlet of your swivel and you are ready to use your upgraded equipment. Thanks for watching.